I'm sharing today is how to make a twisted cord like this for a tassel. So most tassels just have they hang from something with just like string. It doesn't look very good. So when you have a twisted cord, it just looks much prettier. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So you have your tassel made to this point, and then you're going to take 48 inches of yarn or thread or embroidery floss, baker's twine, whatever it is you're going to use. And then you're going to fold it in half so it's 24 inches long. So 48, and then fold it in half to 24. Not one end. Just put your finger in there and put your finger in the loop end and then start twisting. And you're just going to start twisting this and keep twisting it and keep it taut and just keep twisting. I'm just doing this, going round and round, and keep doing that. Just keep doing it till it feels taut. And then once it gets pretty tight, that it's twisted up, and you feel that the yarn is getting tight around your finger, try to find the center and then just let the two sides go, and you see it starts twisting up. Just let it go till the end. And there you have a twisted cord. It might need a little bit of pulling to get it straight. And if it's not laying right, you can just undo it and twist some more until it comes back to a perfect little... Okay, so then there it is twisted. And then one end will be open like this. You want to tie that together with this side. So how I do that is I just take the loop over here and stick that through it. And then stick this through here. One of the pieces there. And then just tie this like this. So you can see there, it's a little loose there. You don't want that really. So I'd tie that, I'd probably fix that like this one. See here, it's all the way tied, not all twisted all the way to the end. So you might have to do it a few times just to get the tightness that you like. So then once you have this, then you want to tie it around here. So the same thing, you just tie this around to make a loop. So you have a loop. So then you put the knot underneath. And then there's your, so then the next part is you really don't want to hang it like that. You want it to be cinched together. So you take another piece of cord. And if you have a big bead, you can take a big bead and run a big bead down there, and that will cinch this up nice. But if you don't have a bead, or you don't want the look of a bead, you can just tie it on the top of the tassel. You have an extra set of hands to hold that down. And then just tie this, and then just let it fall out to the side. So then there is the way. Twisted cord, it looks much better than yarn is kind of chunky. Embroidery floss looks great doing this. So then you want to finish making your tassel. So then you would just tie the top tight. And then just let that fall. And then just kind of arrange it. You might have to pull and push to get it the way you want it. And then you would just trim it up, and then you have a much prettier tassel than just one that you tie on to a knob. And then see you want sharp scissors too. Just do it like this. And there is your tassel with a twisted cord that goes easily over a knob.